In this video, we are going to learn about math object. Math object is used for mathematical operation. You don't create it, but you can use it directly. For this reason, I want to make two variables. Let x equal to 2.5. Let y equal to 5. And I want to make another variable like this. Now, let's know the property of math object. If you want to write math object, at the first you have to write math, comma, you can write the property of math. With math.round, you can round it to your number. For example, I want to round my x. Now let's see. Console.log z, it returns 3. If I change 5 into 4, it rounds it and returns 2. Let's copy this and paste it with Math.floor. You can round down your number. Now let's see. It returns 2. If I change this into 6, it returns 2. Let's know another property of math with Math.ceil. You can round up your number. Now let's see. It returns 3. With Math.truncate, you can remove the decimal part. It removes the decimal part of x variable. Another property is Math.pow, mean power. With pow, you can find the power of your number. For example, x power of y. Let's remove the decimal part of x. And now let's see. X power of y equals to 32. Let's see the y power of x. It will show us 25. Another property is log. With math.log, you can find the algorithm of your number. The algorithm of 2 is 0.693147, like this. Another property is math.sign. It will show us the sign of x. This with math.cosine, it will return the cosine of that number. With math.tangent, it will return the tangent of that number. Another property is math.sign. The sign returns the sign of your number, like this. The sign of x is plus. It will return 1. If I change this 2 into minus 2, it will return minus 1. The sign of minus 2 is minus 1. The sign of 0 is always 0, like this. Another property is max and min. With max, you can find the maximum number. For example, x or y. Which one is maximum? Everyone knows that y is maximum. Let's see. Yes, it returns 5. With minimum, min, you can find the minimum number. The minimum number is 0 because x is 0 now.